In this video, I will show you how to build a simple CRM pipeline in Monday.com. If this guide helps, please consider liking and subscribing so others can see it too. In Monday.com, go to the left column. You will see Home, My Work, AI Note Taker, and more. Select More and scroll down to Template Center. Here you will see pre-made templates that you can use. So we want to search for CRM to refine our search. You then can click each template to find out more information. Once you find the template that you would like to use, click Use Template. Monday.com will start creating your template boards. Once Monday.com has finished creating your template, you then can customize it and edit it to your specific needs. If this video helped, don't forget to like and subscribe.